The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Wakulla County in Big Bend, Florida, southeastern Liberty County in Big Bend, Florida, northeastern Franklin County in Big Bend, Florida, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Crawfordville, moving west at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crawfordville, South Choppy, Panacea, Wakulla Airport, Elm, McIntyre, Sanborn, Tully, Panacea, Smith Creek, Madart, Buckhorn, Spring Creek, and Curtis Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Franklin, Liberty, and Wakulla. You're listening